you don't want to do the 360 I'm about to do this video, then just get the 220. Yeah. Hey guys, it's me, Pikachu here. And so today I'm in a... I don't know if you can see that, but hi mom. Okay, so we're just airplane show. It's pretty darn cool. Here's a bomb. I'm about to use it to destroy the whole entire Galveston. Yeah, we're in Galveston once again, and with this airplane show. So this airplane is the I can't read it. I'm sorry. It's the B-17. I don't see anything. Okay, let's go. So wonder if I can like fly one of these though. Like that would be lit. Like I think these are like from World 1 and 2 and everything. So must make like a full 360 of this whole entire area. If you don't want to see the whole 360, then like skip some part of this video. And yeah. This beautiful airplane. The airplanes of impossible. The airplane of justice. Let's go over here. And we have this red car. Yay, red car. I'm loving it. And then we go back over here. It's just a big, just two. Look at it in here. Like, I'm a flying saucer. It's like, oh, die. Here's a military tank. Is that another bomb? Bombs away, my friend. Bombs away. And here we are. The truck SUV, something like that, with the freaking machine gun. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That long barrel though. You go along here, got those nothing again. Then we have something that I can sit on. First person view. Okay, now we can let's go over here. Slide on them. That wasn't very good slide because the floor is not that slippery, but it's kind of slippery. I don't know. Air conditioning, would you shut up, please? Okay. And now, I'm saying, hey, Mom, can I go in here? Mom, can I go in here? Yes, you can. Okay. So, look at this. Over here. And hold on, I'm about to pause. Mom took a picture of me. Take a picture of me, Mom. Took a picture of me. Yes, with the camera.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay. I post on Snapchat. Okay. Now I'm gonna go over here to this airplane of justice. Hello. Place is quiet. Very quiet. Everybody, shut up. Look at these engines. Or whatever these are called. Yo, my wrist hurts. Why don't I just point that out? Just be quiet. Don't touch it. I'm about to be savage. Savage. Ready? Slide on him. Slide. Ooh, I'm killing it. Sliding. Kill slide. But I'm about to be a savage again. See you, put more freaking sign. Let's go. Savage. Savage as heck. I'm a dog. I'm a savage dog. I'm a dog. Reach this. No, I can't reach that. I can hop this. You also savage? I'm gonna just set this bench. That's enough savage for today. Oh god. Look at this airplane. It's the oh god, focus. The T4IB parenthesis K/172E parenthesis Casina. I mean Casna. That's a Casna. Okay. Yo, mom. Mom, where are you, mom? There's my mom over there. It's your legs. Mom. I'm gonna get her, mom. Oh. No, I shouldn't interrupt them. I'm gonna leave now. Mom, with your pizza shoes. Look at. Hold on. No, you're wearing sandals. Those are mine. I thought you were wearing your pizza shoes, Mom.
No. This doesn't go with the outfit.
Yes, it does.
But I am wearing my sparkly sandals.
Why do you have so much like marks on your legs? Look at that.
You beat me up.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. People say I didn't. This air conditioning will not be quiet whatsoever. The people is another bomb. I'm destroy everything with a bomb. I'm being savage again, Mom. Do you mind if I be savage?
Like, what are you gonna do?
Like, I'm gonna touch stuff I'm not supposed to touch.
No.
Okay.
Because you get in trouble for that.
I know.
No.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. She doesn't know that I'm touching it. Savage. Bro, let's go. Ow, my shoulder began to hurt all of a sudden. Oh, look at the tiny little airplane. What do babies are these? Do babies ride in airplanes? Okay, tell what it is. Wait, is there people in there? I think there's people in there. Yo, look at them. They don't know that I went savage and I actually touched something. I'm like, see. I'm gonna do it again while they're here. Savage. Okay. The air conditioning won't shut up once again. This is big airplane, probably 3 million times my size. Savage 101. Like I'm actually touching what I'm not supposed to be touching. See, savage. Hey, Mom. Mommy, Mom. Ma. Mom. Stop eating your eyes. We have to get to work. We have to bomb all the airships now. Get your face on the camera.
Get your camera out of my face.
No, well, you're the other one who licked the camera.
I didn't lick the camera. You want me to lick the camera?
No. Mom.
What?
Come on.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fight you. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. If I don't remember my assassin video, where our mom was the assassin. And I get my butt whipped like 15 times. But then she only had one life, and she was like level 100. I was like level 2. So yeah, it just makes sense, right? Mom.
I'm not ready. I'm not camera ready. Please stop.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You always are. What are you doing? Don't do that to the viewers.
Sorry.
Hi.
Stop recording me.
I won't. Ah, crap, run. As we can see, the target is right here, and she cannot see us because we are out of view. Okay, let's go. Oh shit, and she's under attack. Jump scare. Oh. Hello there. Oh, hey, chill. Oh god. No. Beer. Okay, let's go. Where?
Scoot back over here. Scoot back.
Where? I don't see the man.
Zoom in. Right there.
Hey, hello, sir. Hello, good sir. Young sir. He's like, help me. So why is this? What is this?
I have no idea. What is that? Kite.
Oh, the kite?
It's a looking thing.
It's a kite.
It's a kite?
Confirmed. Mission failed. You're wrong. So we just
Get it? Dynamite.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, Dinah.
Get it? Dynamite.
Yeah. Dynamite, but it's dynamite not. Dynamite. I'm gonna slide on him. Dang, it's so hard.
You don't have hands on, that's why.
Huh?
You're gonna hurt your leg. You got dirt and stuff all over your legs.
That's not dirt. That's skin.
You dirty then. You take a shower.
Yeah. You know me, Savage 101. Always getting dirty. I'm skin. I ain't no savage. I'm a nerd. Okay, let's see. Piper L/4. Okay. Mom. 996. How about? Guys. I'm gonna see if y'all know this. You see that's 996? Turn the nines upside down to see what it spells. 666. I said all the nines.
Okay, 666.
666. The devil's number. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, just turn those nines upside down. Only the nines, and see what you get. See what you get, people. This is what happens when you mess with the Illuminati. They're about to get killed. You know that, right? Just oh crap! Run! Savage. Yeah.
What did I tell you?
Yeah, I got in trouble. For that. I got a girl. She got me in trouble. She saw it. So I'm gonna sit down now. I've been punished. Well, that'll be in today's video. So yeah, now Pikachu. Content on video. See y'all later.